Hello friends, I am Professor Snehal Shinde from Computer Department of JSPM Nare Technical Campus, Pune. In the field of engineering, you have different branches like mechanical, electronics and telecommunication, civil, electrical and computer engineering. In the second year of computer engineering, you have a very interesting subject called as computer graphics. In this subject, you will learn the basic primitives like pixel, line, circle, different types of polygons. So you will start from the basic pixels and you will create the animations. So after creating these objects, you will fill those objects with different colors. You can perform different types of transformations on those objects. To make the pictures more realistic, you will add different types of curves to it, and also you will apply different shading algorithms on those objects. And finally, you will create an amazing animation. If you are an animation fan, the upcoming discussion is going to be a fun for you all. Today we will see 5 types of animations. The first type is called as the traditional animation. It is also called as cell animation, where the animator draws every frame to create the animation sequence just like they used to do it in old days at Disney. Sequential drawing, screen quickly one after another, create the illusion of movement. Traditional animation consists of hand drawings called frames. In the past, the drawings occurred on a big light table with a big light panel in the middle of it, on which the animator drew the sequence. Nowadays, even traditional animation is being done mostly on computers by using a tablet. Second type is called as the two-dimensional animation, that is 2D animation. This style has become very popular in the last decade. In this type, animator has an option of creating rigs for the characters and then moving the body parts individually instead of drawing the characters over and over again. These flexibilities give beginners more options when approaching animation. Third type is called as a computer animation. It is also called as 3D, that is three-dimensional animation. This is the most common form of animation today. It requires understanding of movement and composition, but the technical skill set is very different for each task. 3D animation is more similar to playing with puppets rather than drawing. The animator moves the character in a 3D program with special controls that are connected to each body part. The 3D animator will spend most of their time looking at curves that represent the movement of different body parts over time. Unlike traditional animation, the character's body parts are always present and should be taken into consideration. The fourth type is called as motion graphics. Unlike other types, motion graphics is not character or story driven. It is the art of creatively moving graphic elements or text, usually for commercial or promotional purposes. Think animated logos, explainer videos, app commercials, television promos, or even film opening titles. The last type is called as stop motion. Stop motion is a special form of animation that combines live action filmmaking principles with traditional character animation. It is done by taking a photo of an object and then moving it just a little bit and taking another photo. The process is then repeated, and when the photos are played back one after another, they give the illusion of movement. One of the most popular form of stop motion is claymation. It uses the metal skeletons on which the clay is molded for more sturdy rigs. Alright friends, so these were the 5 types of animation. I hope now you have an overview of different types of animation. Thank you.